Okay, so today also was a very wonderful day. I hope you all had a very nice day. Even I had a nice day. Now our school's going to begin. Everything's going to happen. New grades. Everybody's becoming, more taller, more elder. Everything like that. So I'm actually going to the 8th grade. I'm also really excited. And most of you, most of you will be excited because you're going to a new grade. You don't know what you'll study, what all new things you're going to study, what all new experiences you will have, many new friends you might have. So like that. And there are many people who change their school also. Even they will be having a very new experience, actually, a new school, a new new friends, new teachers, new classes, everything like that. Okay, so I hope everybody enjoys today's show. Today also we'll be having a topic, then we will be having a rhyme, then cartoons, everything like that. So today's topic, you all must be wondering, our topic for today is a freedom fighter. So before I go into that, let's go for a caller. Hello.
Hello,
Hello, what's your name?
Sachin.
Sachin. Welcome to Kiddo Kids.
Thank you.
Okay, Sachin, how are you?
Fine.
Okay, so how was your day?
It was a good day.
A good day, okay. So, what all did you do today?
Today I was playing with my sister.
You're playing with your sister, okay. Maybe your sister's, school is also going to begin, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so which school is your sister in?
We go to the same school, Indian school.
Same school, okay. So, Sachin, today let's make a change. Why don't you tell me some jokes? Tell me one joke, then, try to make me laugh. Tell me a good joke.
Okay, I'll say a joke.
Okay.
Like, I'll say one joke on Tintuman.
Okay, you can say, but maybe you can change something and all. So just one joke, okay?
Okay,
Okay.
it's a normal joke.
Okay.
Like, Tintuman was sleeping one time. So his mother asked, like, you get up and go to the bakery. So he says that no mom, today is Saturday. So his mother says, just do for me, for mother's sake, just do for us, okay? When he goes, says okay. So he goes to the hall. So he says to father, Dad, I saw a dream that you were reading newspaper in the heaven. So like after that, everyone laughs. So like he says that I'm taking cycle. So his mother said, don't take cycle, go and walk. So like when he goes there, he meets an auto rickshaw person. So he asks, Cheta, can I go to the auto or do until you buy a bread for me? So like the auto guy told that to get lost. So when he was walking, he reached the bakery. So he asked bakery and like he asked, इसका blood बन instead of bread he told blood. So he told blood is there. So he told not blood, bread, okay. So he bought bread. So in the jar he saw laddu, okay. So he told uncle, can I have laddu please? I'll give you the money tomorrow. So uncle told her, no, I'll not give you the money. So he went to home, he ate the bread. After when he came 1 o'clock there. So his son, the bakery man's son was looking after the bakery. So Tinman took the laddus and told that, sir, father, my name is Prani. Prani means cockroach, means my father's name is Prabhahar and my mother's name is Rani. So I'm Prani. So then he said, Dad, that Prani is eating. So his father told Prani, that's no problem. So like after that, the Tinman takes 5 parcels and he eats from there. Then that bakery man's son says that one day our friend Prani went and took everything. Like he ate all the laddus. So like that man asked that boy, where is the Prani? There. So like that's a joke.
Okay. A very nice joke.
Yeah.
So maybe you're a fan of all these, nice jokes, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So anyway, such a very nice joke.
Thank you.
Okay, so now let's head on to a game.
Okay.
Okay, which game do you want to play?
I want to play Atlas.
Atlas, okay, you can start.
I'll start with Shanghai.
Shanghai. Shanghai, right?
Yeah.
Ends with I.
Shanghai. What?
Ends with I.
Yeah, it ends with Shanghai.
I. India.
India, Andaman and Nicobar Islands.
Singapore.
Singapore, Egypt.
Egypt. T. Tibet. Tanzania. A. Australia.
Australia. A. Angola.
Angola. A again. Agra.
Agra. A again. Wait. Abu Dhabi.
Abu Dhabi. Okay. So anyway, it was a very nice game, right?
Which freedom fighter are you talking about today?
Okay, so I'm not telling right now. I'll tell everybody afterwards. Okay, keep it surprise.
Okay.
Okay. So then you can.
Can I say something?
Okay.
Can I say something?
Okay.
Like in my father's birthday, Bhagat Singh was hanged in my father's birthday.
Okay. Okay.
He died. He was hanged by the Britishers 23rd March 1931.
Okay. So anyway, Sachin, thank you for that joke and everything. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you for calling.
Bye.
Bye. Okay, so that was Sachin who called us. And anyway, I told you, he was waiting for that topic for today, but I won't, give it out that easy. So now I'll give it out. The topic for today is a freedom fighter, I told you. So actually, before we go into the topic, what is a freedom fighter? Every time we are talking about a freedom fighter. Every, Sundays we talk about freedom fighters. But what is a freedom fighter actually? A freedom fighter is a person who fight for the rights, of humans, of animals, anybody who's struggling under somebody. So that is, what is a freedom fighter, and it is a person who is engaged in a movement, a resistance movement against what they believe to be an oppression or a bad government. So that is what a freedom fighter is. Okay, so now you all know what's a freedom fighter. Now you must be waiting for which freedom fighter I'm going to talk about today. Okay, today my freedom fighter, what I'm going to talk about is Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, a very famous, freedom fighter. He's he very motivated. He motivates many people. He's an inspirational leader actually. So let's go for a caller now. Hello.
Hello.
Hello. What's your name?
Mehnab.
Mehna.
Mehnab.
Mehnab. Okay.
Mehnab. Beg.
Okay. Okay. So which grade are you in?
I'm in 6th, going to 7th.
You're in 6th, going to 7th. Which school do you go to?
I'm going to New Indian Model School, Dubai.
New Indian Model School, Dubai. So,
Yeah.
what are your hobbies, man?
I like to read and write.
You like
Mostly
to.
drawing.
Okay, so you like to read, write, draw, like that.
Yeah.
Okay, so what kind of things do you draw?
What I feel like still life, I used to collect that.
Okay, so whatever you feel like drawing, you'll draw.
Yeah.
Okay, so do you sketch like people like that?
No.
Okay, maybe not that much, right? So anyway, you will be doing it when you grow, right?
Yeah, of course, in my future.
Yeah, sketching is actually, I have seen, I actually went to a place, and there one person was, it was actually a challenge for him. He could sketch any person, any stranger, whoever comes to him in 1 minute and or less. He could sketch the whole face, that person's.
Even I have seen that. That's called portrait, right?
Yeah, a portrait of the person, yes.
Yeah.
So I thought he couldn't do it, but he did it. He did it something like 53 seconds or something.
Yes.
Yeah. So there are many people like that, interested in art that much.
Yeah.
So
but,
do you?
Actually, I also like to do like that, but it won't come exactly like the same.
Yeah, because there are many tough, crucial parts like the nose and the eyes and all. It's very tough to draw them, right?
Yes.
Okay. So anyway, let's go for a game now.
Yeah.
Okay. So which game do you want to play? We have GK questions, riddle. We have GK questions, riddle questions, spelling game, sentence making, dictionary, tongue twister.
I need spelling game.
Spelling game, okay. So tell me the correct spelling of independent.
Independent.
Yeah.
I
I
D E P E N T.
Not independence. Independent.
Independent.
Yeah, independent.
I N D E P E N D E N T.
D-E-N,
D E N G.
not G.
T.
T, correct spelling. So the correct spelling is so you told me the correct spelling, right?
Yeah.
Independent.
Yes.
Okay, very good. Okay, so anyway, Mehnab, thank you for calling.
You're welcome.
Bye.
Bye.
Okay, so that was Mehnab who called us. And anyway, we were talking about Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. So Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, I told you, now we can see a picture of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, and he is actually known as the Iron Man of India. He was born on 31st October 1875 in a small village in Nadidat. So that's the village he was born in, Nadidat, and his father's name was actually Jawarbai Patel, and his mother's name was Ladbai. So his father was actually a simple farmer and his mother was a simple lady. So they he was this was his father and mother, and his father, I told you his father's name is Jawarbai Patel. So I told you he was a very simple farmer, so he was motivated by his father a lot. Okay, anyway, let's go for a caller now. Hello.
Hello.
What's your name?
Johan.
Johan, welcome to Kiddo Kids.
Thank you.
Johan, it's been long since you called me.
Yeah.
What happened? You went somewhere?
I was on vacation.
Okay, where did you go?
Amsterdam.
You went to Amsterdam. Okay, how was it?
Good.
Very nice. Was it snowing or something?
It was.
It was snowing.
Yeah.
Okay, so you must have had a lot of fun, right?
Yeah.
So did you take some pictures and all?
No.
Oh, then that's so you didn't take any pictures.
No.
Why not?
Actually, I was not really going to Amsterdam. I was first going to Paris, then 2 days after I was going to Barcelona. Then I had to take the flight to here. I didn't actually visit Amsterdam. I only saw the airport. From the airport, I have to change my flight.
Okay, so where did you actually go then?
Paris and Barcelona.
Paris and Barcelona. Okay, you could have told me in the first place. You told me Amsterdam.
because the only place I liked the most was Amsterdam, because that was also like a vacation for me, so I just said Amsterdam.
Okay, so how was Paris then?
Paris was good.
Paris is really nice. Did you see all the Gustave, Eiffel Tower and all?
Yeah.
So how you must have took pictures and all.
Yeah, I took pictures.
Okay. So anyway, Johan, I hope you had fun and now school's beginning, everything is happening, right?
Yeah.
Are you happy or sad?
Happy.
Even I am happy because I am also, I am really bored of these holidays actually. These holidays not that, I am really bored.
Actually, because before schools we think we need holidays. While it's holidays we think we need school.
Yeah, because holidays is actually I am like thinking why this long holidays. I didn't want this much long holidays. I'm thinking why is not school starting fast?
Even for me.
Okay, so anyway, Johan, you told me that you went to Paris everywhere. So what are you going to do now? You have maybe 3 or 4 days left.
I have one more day.
One more day. So tomorrow your school starting or day after tomorrow?
Day after tomorrow.
Day after tomorrow. That's 30th, right?
What?
It's 31st, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So 31st April. No, March your school starting.
Yes.
Okay. So which grade are you going to be in?
From 3rd to 4th.
No, which grade are you going to be in?
4th.
4th. Okay. I thought I didn't understand what you said from 3rd to 4th.
I was in 3rd grade. I'm going to 4th.
Okay, going to 4th. Okay, anyway, let's go for a game now.
Okay.
Okay, which game do you want to play?
Atlas.
Atlas. Okay, but Atlas is over.
Oh.
Atlas are Sachin took Atlas.
Okay, which one?
Okay, now I have GK question, riddle question, sentence making, dictionary, tongue twister, and connection game.
Sentence making.
Sentence making. Okay, so tell me three sentences with the word airport.
What?
Tell me three sentences with the word airport.
Air Force.
Airport.
Airport. Oh.
Yeah.
I went to the airport.
You went to the airport, okay.
There was an accident in the airport.
There was an accident. Okay, a plane crashed in the airport.
A plane crashed in the airport. And I lost my bag in the airport.
I lost my bag in the airport. Very good sentences.
Thank you.
Okay, so anyway, Johan,
Yeah.
tomorrow also you'll call me?
If I can.
Okay, if you can, you will be calling, right?
Yeah.
Okay, anyway, thank you for calling. Bye.
Bye.
Okay, so that was Johan who called us. And anyway, we were talking about Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. So Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, I told you, his father's name was Jawaharlal Patel and his mother's name was Lat Bai, and they were like simple people, and he was actually a lot motivated by his father. So he's actually, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, from his childhood itself, he was a very hard-working person. So Sardar was a very hard-working person. So he actually wrote his high school examination in 1896 and he passed it also. So his whole childhood he was actually very wise and intelligent. So that is how people brief him and describe him. He's a wise, intelligent, hard-working person. And also, what is the thing that Sardar Patel hated was to work for anybody else like Britishers or such. So he hated to work for anybody. So he never wanted to work for anyone in his life. And also, actually, see, now you can see one of his famous quotes or something, his message that he wanted to pass on to everybody. That is, my only desire is that India should be a good producer and no one should be hungry. No one should be hungry, shedding tears for food in the country. So this was actually, he was against the hunger strike in Kerala, not Kerala actually, in India, because there was many people who were really hungry and didn't get food and were, actually they were described as the lower class, something like that. Okay, anyway, let's go for a call now. Hello.
Hello.
Hello, what's your name?
My name is Riona.
Wana.
Riona.
Riona. Okay, Riona, welcome to Kiddo Kids.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay, so Riona, how was your day?
Yeah, good.
Okay, so how did you pass time today?
By praying and then I was watching TV. Then I was I was studying also. Then,
Okay, why are you like shivering or giggling or something?
huh?
I can hear you giggling.
No.
Okay. So I thought you were giggling.
Huh.
Okay, so anyway, Riona, what did you play?
Huh?
What did you play?
Yeah, I play with my friends.
Okay, so what did you play? Basketball?
Not basketball. I'm playing in a home.
Okay, in the home. What? Catch and catch, hide and seek and all, right?
Yes.
Okay, so small game. So which grade are you going to now, Riona?
5th grade.
5th grade. Okay. So Riona, now can you tell me your joke?
Joke?
Yeah, any joke that you heard, any riddle that you heard, something like that. A joke.
I'm not getting.
Any small, short one. Okay, maybe you don't know, right?
Yes.
Okay, no problem. So now let's let's go for a game now.
Yes.
Okay, which game do you want to play?
Which are games are there?
Now I have GK questions, riddle questions, then dictionary, tongue twister, connection game.
Riddles?
Riddles, okay. So your riddle is, what is the collective noun for fish?
What is the?
Collective noun for fish. You know what's collective nouns?
Yes.
Yeah, like a bunch of grapes, a pair of shoes, a pair of scissors, something like that. So it's actually a funny answer. That's why I asked this question as a riddle.
Oh.
Okay, I'll tell you the answer then. The collective noun for fish is a school of fish. A school. A funny one, right? A school of fish.
Yes.
So this is why I actually took this as a riddle. Okay, so now you know a little more new information, right? So now you can go ask your friends and all this question.
Yeah.
Okay, so anyway, thank you for calling, Riona.
Yeah, thank you.
Bye. Okay, so that was Riona who called us. And anyway, I told you Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, he hated to work for any Britishers or anybody like that. So he also made a new law also. So people abided the law, that is, don't listen to the Britishers and all like that. So actually Sardar Patel's untiring efforts towards, to bring towards the unity of the country India brought success. It only brought success to the people, and due to the achievement of this massive task, Sardar Patel got the title Iron Man of India. So now you know why Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel got the name Iron Man of India. It was because he, this huge task, he passed this huge task. He got freedom for the people. So this is why his untiring only because of his untiring things he did. Only because of that India got freedom. He was actually the base of the foundation of India's freedom. So he was also a leader in Indian National Congress. So everything like that. Okay, so anyway, let's go for a short rhyme now. So I hope you all enjoy this rhyme. And before we go for this rhyme, let's go for a caller. Hello.
Hello.
Hello, what's your name?
Sia.
Sia. How are you, Sia?
Fine.
Okay, Sia, how was your day today?
Good.
What all did you do today?
Playing.
Playing, okay. What did you play?
Hide and seek.
Hide and seek, okay. Who do you play with?
My twin sister and the friend.
Your twin sister and your friends.
Yeah.
Okay. So anyway, Sia, which did you go for vacation anywhere? To, this holidays.
No.
Okay, you didn't go anywhere.
No.
Okay, so in the weekends and all, where did you go? To malls and all, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So where do you like going the most in UAE? Where do you like going?
Abu Dhabi.
Abu Dhabi. Why do you like going to Abu Dhabi?
Very nice place.
Very nice place. So in Abu Dhabi, do you have your relatives and all?
Yeah.
That's why you're going there, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so you can meet your cousins and play with them.
Yes.
Okay, so anyway, let's go for a game now.
Yes.
Okay, which game do you want to play? I have GK questions, tongue twister, dictionary and connection.
Tongue twister.
Tongue twister. So your tongue twister is fresh. Okay, listen carefully, okay?
Okay.
Fresh, French, fried, fries.
Fresh, friend, fried, friend.
Fries. Fresh, French, fried, fries.
Fresh, friend, fried, what?
Fried fries.
Fresh, friend, fried, fried.
Fresh French fried fries.
French,
Fried fries.
fried. Okay. Fresh, friend, fried, fried.
Fries.
Fried.
Fried fries.
Fresh, fresh French fried fry.
Fries.
Fry.
No, fresh French fried, not fry. Fries.
Fried.
The last word is fries.
Fries.
Yeah, so now tell.
Fresh French fried fries.
Correct. Now tell me that 3 times continuously.
Fresh French fried fries. Fresh French fried fries. Fresh French fried fries.
Very good. Okay, so you did it perfectly. Okay, so anyway, see ya. Tomorrow also you'll call me?
Yeah.
Okay. So anyway, thank you for calling. Bye.
Okay. Bye.